Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cookies with Quaker Oats. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 1/2 cups of Quaker Oats, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon for that warm flavor. For the wet ingredients, have 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. These are the building blocks for your perfect oatmeal cookies. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter with 1 cup of packed brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Gradually add these dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing on low speed until just combined. Finally, stir in the 2 1/2 cups of Quaker Oats until evenly distributed. It's time to bake those delicious cookies. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. This ensures they have enough space to spread evenly. Bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown. The centers might still look a little soft, but they will set as they cool. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for 2 minutes before moving them to a wire rack. To make your oatmeal cookies even better, here are some tips and variations. For a chewier cookie, do not overbake. Remove them from the oven when the edges are just set. You can easily customize your cookies by adding 1 cup of chocolate chips, raisins, or dried cranberries to the dough. For a delightful crunch, try incorporating 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts or pecans. Once completely cooled, store your cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade Quaker Oats cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.